Let's pull up the stock price then of Honeywell Auto. It's plunged over 19% in trades today, its biggest fall in more than 11 years after its parent has announced plans to sell stake rather than to delist the automation unit, which had been reported by some media companies. As we speak, 17.7% off at 2,574. Let's get in Darshan Mehta, who joins in from our research desk with all the details. Darshan.
Well, Avan, you clearly said it. It's the biggest fall that Honeywell Automation has seen since July 2001, and clearly this is a big fall. Now, what has happened is the company has made its intention clear that they would want to sell stake rather than delist from the Indian markets. Honeywell Asia Pacific is the holding company which owns close to 81.2% stake in the company. They have to get it down to 75%. That means a stake sale of 6.2%, and this is as per the SEBI norms. So June 2013, SEBI has always been specific, and they have said that there won't be any revision in this date. So all the companies which have a promoter holding of over 75% have to cut the stake to 75% or delist from the Indian markets. That is the norm SEBI has there. Today, Honeywell has said that they would want to cut stake and remain listed in the Indian market. So that is why you're seeing this big drop. Honeywell, if you take a 1 year period, it has actually risen of almost 95%, given the fact that only on the delisting buzz, because it is a Fortune 500 company, has close to $1 billion on cash on its books. So investors clearly thought that the company will be able to delist, and if you take a 3 to 4 per year perspective, it's clearly been a five-bagger. It was down at almost 600 rupees a couple of years ago. On Monday, the stock hit its 52-week, it hit its lifetime high of almost 3,400 rupees on the back of media reports that the company might delist. That was the day where it clocked the highest volumes also. But today is the second highest volumes for Honeywell Automation, clearly down 18%, because investors have been disappointed. There were hopes that the company will delist, and the prices would keep on going higher for that what Honeywell, the parent, would offer to the Indian company, given the fact the cash on the book. But that has clearly not happened, and because of that disappointment, it has broken all DMAs at its 2-month low, and it has fallen almost 19% in trade.